morning, children. In this video, I'll be dealing with a new topic, that is percent change. Okay, so there are two words here, that is percent and change. Okay, so change means nothing but either an increase or a decrease. Okay, so there is an original value. So if there is an increase in that value or decrease in that value, then we term it as change. And we will be finding the percentage change, meaning by what percent there is an increase in certain number and by what percent there is a decrease in certain number. Okay, so we will come across this situation in our daily life. Okay, so we'll be dealing with few problems. So for example, say in the year 2019, okay, so in the year 2019, number of students in our school, okay, so I'll take the number of students of our school in the year 2019. Okay, suppose say it was 1500. Okay, and this year number of students in the year 2020, let the number of students be 2000. Okay, so if you see this number and this number, there is an increase in the number of students, right? So previously in 2019 it was 1500 and it came to 2000 in the year 2020. So there is an increase in number of students. Okay. So if you see here, the increase is how much? 500. But we will be finding the percent increase here. The change is increase in number, right? So we will be finding the percentage of the increase. Okay. So percent change equals to the number by which the increase has been made. So the increase here is how much? 2000 minus 1500. Okay, so this is the new value minus the old value. That is the change divided by what is the original value? That is 1500. Remember that the change is always calculated over the original value. That is the old value. Okay. So since we are finding the percentage change, so we will be multiplying this fraction by 100. Okay. So this will be equal to how much? Sorry, about this. So percent change will be equals to 2000 minus 1500 will be how much? 500 divided by our original value, that is 1500 into 100, because we are converting it into percentage. So let us cancel this 2 0, this 2 0. This is 5 3 is the 15, 5 1 is the 5, 0 0. So that is equals to 100 by 3%. So if we convert this fraction to decimal, it will be 33.33%. So there is 33.3% increase in number of students. Okay, so there has been an increase in the number of students from the year 2019 to 2020, and the percent by which the number has been increased is 33.33%. Okay, so let me take one more example for decrease. Okay, wherever there is a decrease, so let us say that a shirt, okay, a shirt cost rupees 2500. Okay, so cost of a shirt goes to rupees 2500. Okay, so due to end season sale, say there the cost of the new cost of shirt. Okay, so due to end season sale, there is a change in cost of the shirt. Okay, that is the first price of the shirt changes. So that's equals to say rupees 1250. So if you see here, there is a change in the price of the shirt. Yes, previously it was 2500 and due to end season sale, the price has been reduced to 1250. Okay, so there is a change. The change here is what? Decrease, because the price has been decreased from 2500 to 1250. 50. So our aim here is to find by what percent the price of the shirt has been decreased. Okay. So we'll be finding percent change equals to new value. Okay. So this is 1250 minus 2500 by the old value, the original value, that is 2500 into 100, since we are finding the percent change. Okay, that's why we are multiplying it by 100. Okay, so percent change will be equals to 1250 minus 2500 will be how much? 1250, but we put the sign of a greater number, that is integers, subtraction of integers rule. We will put the sign of greater number, 2500 is bigger, so we put minus by 2500 into 100. So children, here is a catch. Okay, so whenever you find a negative sign, okay, in this term, the numerator, whenever we are doing new value minus old value, if we get a minus sign, then it indicates that there is a decrease. Okay, so whatever we are calculating, the change that has been occurred here is the decrease, okay, because of this negative sign. Okay, so this will be equal to this 20 and this 20 gets cancelled. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. This 0 here. This 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So that is equals to 50%. So since there is a negative sign here, the change that has occurred here is decrease. Okay. So the price of the shirt has been decreased by 50%. Is that clear? So this is all about percent change. So I'd like to give you one formula for this percent change. Okay, so I want all of you to note it down. So percent change equals to change in value by old value, either old value or original value into 100. Okay, please do not forget to multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, this has to be there because we are finding the percent change. Okay, so this change in value, again write down the formula for change in value. So change in value equals to new value minus old value. Okay, so remember, as a note, please copy this two formulae, this and this. Okay. So here I would like to make a note. Write it as a note. You might confuse later. Write it as a note. If the change occurred, the change that has been occurred is negative. Okay, if you get new value minus old value as negative. Okay, if the change occurred is negative, then we conclude that there is a decrease. Okay, so negative symbol, negative sign symbolizes that there is a decrease. Okay, so there is nothing to do with negative sign. It just says that there is a decrease made. Is that clear? So with this, I think you should be able to do question number exercise 3B. Exercise 3B. Question number 5, B and C. Okay? So please do this as a homework. It is pretty simple. Just you need to find what is the change and then convert that value to percentage. Okay? Thank you.